Give mommy letter A. Very good. Good. Fantastic. Very good. Where is the letter S? Letter W. Fantastic. Mommy, the letter A. Go get the letter A and give it to mommy. Letter A. Give mommy letter A. Very good. Very good, baby. Thank you. Very good. Next is the letter B. B. Letter B. Great job, baby. Great job. Very good. Very good. Give mommy the letter B. Where's the letter B? Next is the letter E. B. Give me first the letter B. Thank you so much. Okay. The next letter is the letter E. Where's the letter E? Baby. Very good. Great job. Give mommy, please. Thank you so much. Very good. Okay, what's next? Can you please give mommy the letter C? K. Fantastic. Very good, baby. Great job. Great job, baby. Very good. Okay, what's next? Mommy wants the letter H. Letter H. Very good. Well done, Sophie. Great job. Oh, what's that? It's okay. Very good. What's next? Now, give me the letter G. G. Very good, baby. There you go. Give mommy the letter G. Go. Thank you so much. Thank you. What's next? Mommy wants the letter D. D. Where is the letter D? D. Very good, baby. Very good. Great job. Very good. Great job for Sophie. Give that one to mommy first. Thank you, baby. Thank you so much. Next is the letter I. Letter I. Letter I. Great job. Very good. Later. Letter I. Very good. And the last one is the letter F. Very good, baby. Great job, baby. Good work. Very good. Yay! Mommy wants the letter J. J. Great job. Thank you so much. Okay, what's next? Mommy wants the letter O. O. Very good, baby. It's okay, baby. Just give me the letter O. Letter O. Where's the letter O now? Where's the letter O? Give mommy the letter O. Very good. Next is the letter L. Wow, fantastic. Thank you so much. Okay, the next letter is the letter Q. Qu. 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 Great job, baby. Very good. Now give the letter to mommy. Very good. Qu. Great job. Okay, what's next? Mommy wants the letter N. Letter N. The sound of the airplane. The letter N. Letter N. It's color red. Color red. Where's the color red? Letter N. Red. Very good. Great job, baby. There it is. Do you want to play with the tape? Let's play later. Give mommy the letter N first. Thank you, baby. Okay, what's next? Mommy wants the letter R. Great work, Sophie. Very good. Great job. Okay. What do we have next? What about the letter P? P. Puff, 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 puff. Very good. Very good, Sophie. Pa, 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 yes, that is pa, pa, pa. Okay, and the next one is the letter K. K, k, k. Kite. Good job. K. Very good, Sophie. And the last one is the letter M. Very good. Good work, baby. That is letter M. Very good. Now, mommy wants the letter S. Where is the letter S? Great job, Sophie. Very good. Thank you so much, baby. Great job. Letter S. S. Later. Let's play later. Next is the letter T. T. Very good. Great job, baby. Letter T. Now, can you please give me the letter W? W. Letter W. Fantastic. Very good. Oopsie, what's that? Now give mommy the letter W. That's okay. Okay, great job. The next one is the letter V. Great job, Sophie. Very good. Very good. Very good, baby. Now, mommy wants the letter Y. Y. Very good. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oopsie. Next is the letter U. Very good. Letter U. Great job. Thank you. Next is the letter X. X. Take an X right. X. Very good. And the last one, give the letter X first. And the last letter of the alphabet is the letter Z. Thank you so much. Very good. Clap your hands. Clap your hands.